If your water smells like a pool, leaves spots on dishes, or tastes a little metallic, that's a water quality problem, not your imagination. Municipal treatment makes water safe, but it doesn't mean you'll love how it tastes, smells, or treats your home. The fix isn't more pitchers on the counter. It's treating water for the whole house so every tap gets an upgrade. A whole home filtration system installed by Peaden fixes these common water quality issues and problems that are frequent in Florida and Alabama. Quality carbon filtration reduces chlorine found in treated water, which means you'll enjoy fresher water for drinking, cooking, and showers. Filtration can also remove harmful microplastics and other contaminants that may end up in your drinking water. Plus, filtration helps keep sediment and grit from running through your plumbing and fixtures. That means fewer clogged aerators, better-looking glassware, and less wear on appliances like your dishwasher, water heater, and washing machine. Beyond whole home filtration, if your home has hard water, you can easily add a water softener or conditioner to your system to reduce scale and prevent problematic chalky buildup that can accumulate on your fixtures. Finally, if you're worried about harmful microbes, you can add a UV purifier. It uses ultraviolet light to neutralize bacteria and viruses without adding chemicals, and it's low maintenance once it's sized and installed correctly. At Peaden, we test, size, install, and maintain systems tailored to your home, and we're more than happy to answer any questions you may have. We hope this video has been informative. If you're ready to start enjoying better water, give us a call today.
Peaden, the pros you can trust.